Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace and remove this Toyota Corolla car's damper. And this damper is part in here, this black part. What purpose is to eliminate these bad body sounds what are made by these wheels and drive shafts and engine vibrations. This damper is like eliminator what eliminates bad sound, these waves and also these movements in the car body. And let's go to look at how I take this part away next. Okay, and this part in here, this is really damper, and there is 1 and 2 and 3 bolts what I need to open, and there is now 2 big bolts, and let's look closer. Okay, and now we need this 19mm socket what fits in this part in this way, and then I take this wrench and socket and I open this bolt, and in here we have also similar 19mm in, or actually this is a little bit smaller. Okay, interesting, 3 bolts but all of are different size. Okay, and now I am opening these bolts, and this bolt is like 12mm, and let's look how this opens. Okay, this is easy. This is easy to open. That one, this opens easily, but then this 19mm bolt, this was very tight. That one. This was really difficult to open, and I need to heat up. I need to heat up this bolt because this is so tight. Okay, I need now a little bit heat. Okay, and now I really need to heat up, and I use this Sievert power gas where is 1900 Celsius this heat, and there is the switch. I open that and then trigger. And now I heat really this bolt, that bolt area. Okay, and let's test that what happens. Can I open that? And if this is still stuck, then I need to heat up this couple of minutes. Let's look what happens. And this looks again, still this is stuck. Okay, I need to heat up this bolt more. Okay, and now I have really heat up this my bolt about 4 minutes, and now when we try to open that bolt, now we can see that now this bolt moves, and it means that my bolt is bigger, and now we can open that. And also in this area we can add in here some lubricant in this thread area also. And now I add in here engine oil. This is standard mobile one oil, and let's look at how it opens. And this was really, now it opens, but hard bolt, very tight bolt to open. Okay, good. Now it opens nicely. Okay, and then I use my electric impact driver also. Okay, and there's my impact driver. Okay, and now I notice that in this down area there is also bolt, and I have to install in this down area my friends also. Okay, now this my bolt opens, and first big bolt is free, and then there was second bolt was smaller one, 12 millimeters. And we can use that in easy way with this my impact driver, 12 millimeters, and this was easy. And then we have final bolt in this down area, this back area, and it seems to be also tight. Okay, and now I managed to open this bolt, and there is this down area. I opened this bolt in down area, and now this damper is free, and we can go to look that closer what this looks like. Okay, and there is really this damper, and it looks like that, and there is really, this part is really heavy. This is like some rubber, and this is elastic, and that part only purpose is, we can see that there is this elastic joint, is to eliminate this engine, this sound and force waves just in specific position, and this is quite heavy. This weight about 1 to 2 pounds, and this is like only this purpose is to eliminate this car body vibrations and sounds when we are suspension or drive shaft or wheel movements. And this is really specific engineering, and please install these back, and if you have any extra vibrations in your car, check that these dampers are in right positions, because we might have these dampers in also, like in some exhaust pipe, these covers, like in Lexus cars, that they eliminate all kind of extra noises in car. Okay, that kind of information to you, my friend.